NHA Balochistan is working day and night to remove snow from the national highways of Balochistan during the harshest weather. NHA Balochistan, PDMA, and the provincial government of Balochistan province are working with their staff day and night for the comfort and ease of travel of the passengers on the national highways during the severe snowfall in the Balochistan province. NHA Balochistan and PDMA have continued their efforts to protect the lives and property of the people on the national highways with the available resources and machinery, while the orders and instructions of the provincial government have been affected by snowfall and rains. The administrations of the districts are also offering their services side by side with NHA and PDMA. He is always present with the officers despite the backwardness in Balochistan. It is a good tradition for the national institutions to work diligently day and night, but the people, especially the transporters, are also requested to pay attention to the instructions of the district administration and the institutions working on the national highways and travel in the light of their instructions and avoid unnecessary travel. Avoid Faiz Badini Voice Forum Quetta Balochistan.